Welcome to Paige Family Homestead. You've seen how we cook the roast beef in the Instant Pot. Well, today we're going to be doing a chicken, a whole chicken in there. So come with us and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so we're going to make an Instant Pot chicken today. So here we go. First of all, I'm going to move the trivet out of the way and I'm going to stuff in the bird some apple. Apple. That's what I used to say when I was a kid. Apple. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to put the trivet in, the Instant Pot, there. And then I'm going to put the void. Oh, then I'm going to put I got 1 cup of chicken broth. Put that in there. Then I'm going to put the bird in. There we go. See? That. And now what we're going to do, here, I'm going to put in, there's half a tablespoon of, what are those flakes called? Chili flakes. Then half a tablespoon of salt. Teaspoon. Then 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic. 1 teaspoon of pepper, and I think that's parsley, and 1 teaspoon of parsley. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix it all together. Get all that goodness out of there. Then I'm going to stir it all up in with the butter, about 1/4 cup of melted butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the skin, we're just going to move it lightly like this here, and go down to near the legs and all that. Make that, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pour some of this butter in there. Let it go all the way through. Then the rest we're going to pour all over it. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? What do you think of that, Scott? There we go. Okay, so that part's done. And now, I believe we're going to put the potatoes and carrots in it. Just put them around there. Or as we say in England, over there. Put them in there. No, that's my silly dog whining. There we go. And that's a little bit more in there. I think we're just about done with this. A few more. There. And then we put the lid on. There we go. Okay, now we're going to take this and seal it. Turn it up like that. And when it comes to pressure, it's going to pop that button there up. Okay? So we're going to put it, it says pressure cook, and we're going to put it up for 27 minutes. There you go. And then what? We wait till it's cooked. I'll be right back as soon as it's done. And when I come back, we're going to give it a 20-minute vent and then it'll be done. Okay, while we're waiting for this to up and vent and to get ready for 27 minutes, I'm just going to tell you a story about my favorite Christmas present when I was younger. I was about 8 years old, and it was back in Moncton, New Brunswick. And I got up one Christmas, and I'll never forget it. I got this one present. It was a wind-up toy, and it was my favorite toy, and it brought such satisfaction for me. I've got it here. Would you like to see it? Here it is. Right there. Watch. Isn't that neat? Favorite toy of the year. Be back. Okay. The chicken's been resting 45 minutes because, well, I went to Home Depot, forgot about it. So the wife took care of it for me. Peggy did. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it, open it up now. It's all been, what do you call it, steamed off. So I'm going to open it up, and remember, always lift it open away from you. That way the steam won't facial your face. So, okay, we'll put this over here. Look at that, beautiful. Ooh, Jethro, look at that. Isn't that nice? Let me turn on the light. Get a better look at it. Ooh. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Look at that. Oh, this is going to be good. When I take this out, I'll show you. We're going to make gravy. Okay, welcome back. We're going to make the gravy now. So this is it all plattered up. And a little bit of parsley all over to give it that beautiful look. There we go. So now I'm going to drain this into the thing, and we're going to magically move this plate out of the way. And I'm going to strain the juice. Hot, 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 hot. But not that hot. So, here we go. And then we'll put it back in. Because we're not done yet. There we go. I'm just going to leave this here. I'll probably get in trouble, but I'll leave this here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this off, the Instant Pot, and then we're going to put it on saute again, and we're going to make some gravy. There's 4 tablespoons of butter. There we go. And we'll let that melt down. And oh, this is going to be so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay. So did you like my wind-up toy? That was something else. Don't ask me where my mom and dad got it from, because I can't tell you. So anyway, I'm going to put this in here, melt it down a bit. Damn thing, there. Ooh. And now, 4 tablespoons of flour is going in, and we're just going to, there, like mix this all together for our gravy, and then we're going to add in the stock again. As it's sauteing. Sauteing. I like that word. Not really, but sounds funny. As it rolls off your tongue. Saute. Anyway. It's melting and it's all coming together beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, beautiful. Okay, now we're putting in the broth. a little bit at a time, apparently. Oh, it's going to be a nice gravy. Oh, look, it's already thickening up. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I'll add more in. Another little bit. See, that's beautiful. This Instant Pot is saves so much time. Here we go. Put that over there.
And allows you to go shopping to Home Depot.
Yes, and allows me to go shopping at Home Depot. Oh, it's coming along nice. This is going to be a beautiful dinner. Gorgeous dinner. Now I'm going to cut into the bird. A bird is a bird is a bird is a bird. Look at that, just beautiful, just nice and tender. Oh, so easy to cut. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Oh, just beautiful. Well, of course we have to have a leg with this. Oh, it falls right off the bone. There we go. Now look at that. And here's the gravy over top of it. There we go. And now, you know I'm going to test it, right? Oh, it's so worth doing in the Instant Pot. Quick, easy, flavorful, just perfect. So if you had a chance, go to Canadian Tire, buy yourself an Instant Pot. Save yourself some time. Okay? And by the way, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell and leave a comment and tell me what you think of the meal. Plus, I've got a video of my niece who's teasing me about the Yorkshire pudding. She made a beautiful Yorkshire pudding, and I'm going to put a bit of that clip into this one too as well, so you can see that as well. Okay, thank you. And I forgot to bring, welcome back, I forgot to show you, I made another artesian bread to go with our meal. So here we go. That is just gorgeous. There we go. Look at that. Fresh, light, beautiful. And that will be with our bread. And if you want to see how to make this kind of bread, look at our playlist. You'll see artesian bread in a Dutch oven. And you'll also find the Yorkshire pudding there too on one of the playlists to show you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, this one's even more beautiful. Look at it. Andy, check it out. I mean, nice golden brown, crispy. Oh, God, that's beautiful. Oh, it's nice. It's way nicer than the other one. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, just beautiful. I think it's epic. This is the epic one, for sure. Okay, bye.